Well, first thing I need to do is take off the wheels and the plate, and then start about taking things off. So in Montana, we use stuff for the ice. It makes getting the wheels off really hard sometimes. So I had to loosen the bolts and kind of drop the car down on it to snap these two pieces off from the wheel to the brake. A little scary, but it's off. Now I'm going to try to get one of these star guys off so I can have better access to all this. Start taking things apart. Actually, I still haven't got my skid plate off. I'll probably do that next. Well, I got the skid plate off, but man, look at all that oil. It's been a major leak in the last 1,000 miles. Oil's kind of everywhere. Really weird. Looks like there's a couple clips to get this cover off. I believe I have to take the motor mount out to drain the radiator too, I think. I'm going to see how the belt looks. I unclipped it. I'm going to need to take this hose off to get this panel cover off. Well, this guy moved a little bit. Not sure that should have, but I've seen worse, but it's cracking. I could have sworn the dealership did it about a year ago. But I don't know. That looks kind of bad to me. I believe put a wrench on that and pull it so the belt kind of falls out. Give that a try. So I use a 15-inch wrench to pull it this way and use the nail to hold it so I can get the belt and the tensioners kind of pulled back with that nail. Hopefully that makes sense. So these bolts here are 16s. That one's really hard to get to. And then there's one more above, which I got. And that's kind of like the bracket for the motor mount. Or maybe it's all one piece, but it's kind of like a two-piece thing. So these guys have been stripped. So I'm not sure how I'm going to change my belt, because they're really rounded. Not good. What would you do to get these guys out? I got one out. Got one out. Had to drill it. And use that guy to get it out. Two more to go. Well, two of them completely snapped. So now I have another problem, but at least I can get the pulley off. So I'll pull that off and see where we're at. After much work, I got the pulley off. Still gonna have to drill out that one guy and take the cover off. going to take this cover off, so hopefully it won't hurt the sprocket or the cover when I'm trying to drill it out. So got them all out. Still working on that cover. I gotta take off my skid plate so I can jack up the motor to get the motor mat out and go from there. Making progress. I lost some of the videos, but mostly I wanted to show you the problems I ran into when changing the wire pump and the belt. Mostly drilling out those bolts, a little bit of just aligning everything and working in the snow. There's other videos on YouTube that show you how to do it. I just wanted to show you the problems I ran into. Thanks for watching.